going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is very exciting. I'm taking my BMW F82 M4 down to AutoTalent and I'll be installing the active Autowerke single midpipe. Now what it does is essentially it removes the factory midpipes, which includes the two secondary cats and the resonator, and feeds both pipes into one single 3.5-inch piping, which separates at the end where it joins to the mufflers. Now what that does, it clears that raspy sound that the S55 motor is known to make. Let's go down to AutoTalent and see what they have in store for us. All right, so pulling up to AutoTalent and I'm already seeing some sick cars. This is the Ferrari, got a Prius. E92 M3, one of my favorite body styles for the M3. Got a little G37, sick R8, wow. And a couple other cars, an F30, Viper. Wow, this place is a car heaven.